Hi everyone, welcome back. Today we're doing multiplication and division math for the grade 2s. So to start, we have 20 times 5. So you say 5 times 0, you times the bottom one to the upper one. So you say, and you start from the right. So you say 5 times 0, that's 0. You write your 0 down here. And then 5 times 2, that's 10. You write your 1, 0 here, your 10. Then your answer is 100, which is 100. Then we move on to another one. Whenever you're multiplying, you always start from the bottom to the upper and you start from the right to the left. So 0 times 4, that's 0. Since we do not have another number here, so it just remains 0. We leave it like this. Then we move on to the next one. 15 times 4. So you multiply the 4 and the 5 first, then the 4 and the 1 last. So you say 4 times 5, that's 20. So you put your 0 here and then you carry your 2 here. And then say 4 times 1, that's 4. And then you add that 2 you get from 5 times 4, which was 20. And then it becomes 6. Then you put your 6 here. Then your answer is 60. And then we move on to the next one. 10 times 2. So remember, you always multiply from the bottom to the upper, then from the right to the left. So you say 2 times 0, it's 0. You write your 0 here. 2 times 1 is 2. You write your 2 here. And your answer is 20. And then let's move on to the next one. Is 3 times 2. Always remember, you multiply from the bottom to the upper, from the right to the left. Say 3 times 2, that's 6. You write your 6 here. Since we do not have another number to the left, we leave it like that. Then we move on to the next one. 3 times 3. Remember, you start from the bottom to the upper, from the right to the left. So you say 3 times 3, that's 9. Since we do not have another number here, we just leave it like that. Then the answer is 9. So simply, this is how you do multiplication, how you multiply the numbers. So we keep quickly going to erase this. Then we do another examples. Okay, so let's do another examples. We have 25 times 3. Here we have 75 times 2. Write our 2 here. Here we have 103 times 5. Here we have 401 times 4. Here we have 40 times 6. Here we have 501 times 5. Okay, so let's do our math together. Remember, when you're multiplying, you always start from the bottom. You multiply from the bottom to the top, from the right to the left. So let's do together. 3 times 5, that's 15. So you write 5, then you add 1 here. And then you say 3 times 2. Mind you, you have to multiply the bottom number with all the upper numbers. So you say 3 times 2 is 6 plus that other one number we added here, then become 7. Our answer is 75. Then we move on to the next one. 2 times 5, that's 10. You put your 0 here, and then you add 1 here. 2 times 7, that's 14. Yes, that's correct. And then you add another 1 here, the one that you carried here, and becomes 15. You write your 15 here. And then we move on to the next one. 5 times 3 is 15. You write 5 here, and then you borrow the 1 here. And then 5 times 0, that's 0. Plus that 1 you carried here, then become 1. You write your 1 here. And then 5 times 1, that's 5. And then you write your 5 here. Your answer is 515. Then we move on to the next one. Remember, always start from the bottom to the upper, from the right to the left. And you multiply the bottom number with all the upper numbers. So 4 times 1, that's 4. You write your 4 here. See, like this. 4 times 0, that's 0. You write your 0 here. 4 times 4, that's 16. Since we do not have another number to multiply the bottom 4, so we just write 16 here. This is your answer, 1604. Then we move on to the next one. 6 times 0, that's 0. 6 times 4, that's 24. So you write your 24, 2, 4, like this, 24. You move on to the next one. 5 times 1, that's 5. 5 times 0, that's 0. 5 times 5, that's 25. Since we do not have another number to multiply the bottom 5 here, so we write our 25 here, like this. Perfect. So this is how you do your multiplication, like this. So always remember, you multiply from the bottom to the upper, from the right to your left, and you multiply all the numbers with the bottom number. That's all the multiplication for today. Until we meet again, thank you for your attention. Bye.